thank the President for his patience, because it has taken how many months? I have been here alone, so I'm so pleased you have come. Politically, I have been here alone, so I'm very pleased. I have a colleague today. And we thank the President for his patience, for identifying someone who has been tried and tested, and he has a commitment to make a difference in this ministry. Because I know we inherit systems sometimes without inheriting the values. The British system is, the civil service is neutral, is impartial. You present the program of any party in power, regardless of whether you voted them or not. But some of us here, if you didn't vote NRM, you might say, why would I implement it first? No, just get out of this. I don't want to use a good language, but get out of this one. In our vernacular, if I can say it. In our vernacular, we have a vernacular expression. So whether you voted NRM or you didn't vote it, I want you to know NRM is, this government is a plan of the ministry. And it is a strategic development plan for 26, 30, almost 31 for our term. This is a document. This is a living document. It will be modified because they made it before you came.
Under the guidance of my senior minister, I want to inform you colleagues that we won't tolerate corruption in internal affairs. And I repeat that, we won't tolerate corruption in internal affairs. Our principal, the President, guided that this is Kisanja Hakuna Budget. You have seen everywhere. My elder brother Baram and Honorable Nambele moving everywhere, touching on the corrupt. So we are also here to tell you that we will implement the same. So I believe, and those 190s are our bosses. Those are the people we serve. So colleagues, please, let's respect the 190. Another one, and I've been with the guidance of my senior minister, we want to make sure that we can digitalize most of the systems in internal affairs. We are in the e-world. Witonze, I've gotten a chance to travel abroad to do research in different fields, but majorly in diplomacy. But many countries, go to Dubai, go to America, Canada, they have digitalized their systems. But ours here is we are still using analog. So colleague members, please, with the guidance of my senior minister, let us embrace digitalization.